When we were talking about sexual reproduction, we had discussed that a person has a reproductive stage or reproductive phase of his or her life. In the females, that reproductive phase begins with menarche and ends with menopause. Now, what are these two terms? This also I assume that you are not hearing for the first time. Menarche is the onset of puberty, when the menstrual cycle in the female begins. Okay, in the onset of puberty, apart from the secondary sexual characters, the primary sexual cycle begins in the female, and that is known as menstrual cycle. When the menstrual cycle begins in a female with age of 10 to 14 years, this is the lifespan where the female can start the reproductive phase of her life in between 10 to 14 years, the menstrual cycle begins. Okay. Now, this menstrual cycle, as we will discuss, is the reproductive phase of the female. From around 14 years till 45 or 50 years, she is going to have the menstrual cycles monthly, okay, per month, and release the gametes, and this menstrual cycle begins with a lot of hormonal activity that is carried out by pituitary gland. So, menarche is the onset of puberty where menstrual cycle of the female begins, and menopause is yet another highly hormone guided activity where the reproductive phase of the female stops. That means that stage of life of a female when the menstrual cycle ceases to occur, menstrual cycle stops, okay, altogether, and there are a lot many hormonal changes, and with that the senescence period of the female begins. Okay, it is between 45 to 50 years of the age when slowly and steadily whatever ovules were being released by the ovary, they stop doing it and the female becomes old reproductively. Okay, she is now not reproductively viable, and the course of events is termed as menopause. This is what you have to keep in mind. What happens in between, that is covered in the menstrual cycle, but the beginning is menarche and the end is menopause. This you have to keep in mind. During these years of the life, there is a probability that the female sees menarche stage, and in between these years, there is the probability that menopause occurs. Okay. Now, these are also highly hormone guided activities. All of a sudden, see, there are two hormones which are present inside the body for her reproductive control, apart from the pituitary hormones which are common in both male and female, LSH and LH, that is luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. These are the two pituitary hormones. Apart from this, the two hormones in female are estrogen and progesterone. It is the secretion of estrogen that increases, okay, under guided control of LH and FSH, which begins menarche. Okay, and this estrogen production declines altogether, because who secretes estrogen is ovarian follicles. Those ovarian follicles degenerate with time up to the age of 50 years, and estrogen production almost stops. Not almost stops, it declines to a very high degree, very low degree, sorry, not high degree. It declines to a level where the estrogen production is almost nil, and that leads to condition known as menopause. This you have to remember. Now, when ovarian follicles are not being produced, certainly graphene follicles will also not be produced, and progesterone will also be declined. So, the hormones which were responsible for the sexual control of the body are declining, and certainly the sexual phase of the body or the reproductive phase of the body comes to an end. So, this is what you have to keep in mind about menarche and menopause. What these are, how do they affect the sexual cycle, that is part of next lesson.